In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira properly for modern software delivery. Let's be honest, there's a big difference between simply having a Jira board and actually using it well. When tickets are vague, backlogs are messy, and status updates live in scattered chats, teams lose speed, clarity, and trust in the process. Jira works best when it becomes the single place where work is defined, tracked, and connected to delivery. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get into your Jira Cloud workspace, create cleaner issues, document work clearly, connect development activity, manage board movement, use AI summaries, and finish with a quick workflow review. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your organization's Atlassian cloud site. Or sign in through the Atlassian login page if your company uses single sign-on. Once you're in, open the software or product project you want to work in. This gets you to the main control center where your board, tickets, and team activity live. Inside the project, go to the top navigation and click Create. This opens the issue window where you'll define the work properly. Before typing anything, confirm the issue type. Make sure you choose the right category, whether that's an epic for a larger initiative, a story for a user-facing requirement, a task for operational or technical work, or a bug for a defect. Choosing the correct type matters because it affects reporting, organization, and how the team understands the work. Next, fill in the issue with the three-part structure that keeps tickets useful. In the summary field, write a clear and specific title in under 80 characters. Make it obvious what the item is about. Then, in the description field, avoid writing one long paragraph. Instead, organize the details into three parts: the context or steps to reproduce, the expected result, and the actual result. This makes the issue faster to read and easier for engineers, QA, and product stakeholders to align on. After that, open the code or development area from the left side navigation and connect Jira to your repository platform, whether that's GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Once connected, Jira can show branch and development activity directly inside the ticket, helping the team tie tracked work to real code without manual follow-up. Now return to the main board. As work begins, drag the issue card from to do into in progress, then later into review or done states as progress changes. Keep board movement honest because the board should reflect actual delivery status, not wishful thinking. If a ticket has a long comment thread, scroll to the activity or comment section and use the summarize comments option. This helps you catch up quickly on blockers, decisions, and technical context. Before you finish, scan the board and confirm that issues are in the correct columns, titles are clear, and linked development activity appears where expected. When Jira is set up and maintained this way, your team gets better visibility, cleaner execution, and a much smoother path from planning to release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.